It's Meso, y'all. Come on into my kitchen where today we're going to be doing something fantastic. I'm going to put a little south in your mouth today. Yeah, we're going to have a summertime tomato pie. Let's take a look. What do you think about this? Don't that good? Let's see how to make it. Come on, here's some of the ingredients that we're going to be using today to make that masterpiece. So we have 4 ounces of room temperature softened cream cheese. We got some mayo here, baby, just a little bit. And here we have some chopped up spring onion. We have some spicy brown mustard here. You can use Dijon if you have that at your house. We have 1 egg. This is sour cream. Gonna be using a little bit of that. And this is a cup of cheeses. Yeah, I said cheeses. In here I have cheddar, I have mozzarella, I have Parmesan, and I have fontina cheese. Now you use the cheese that you like. You can even use one kind of cheese if you like. But why start with just one? So here I have some basil that I'm going to be using. I've got some kosher salt. Gonna be using just a little bit of kosher salt and just a little bit of cayenne pepper. Not gonna make it hot, just gonna kick it up a little bit. Gonna use some black pepper because I like that black pepper. I'm also gonna be using some onion powder and some garlic powder. But wait, look. Look at this. Red tomatoes, garden fresh, fine ripe. Aren't they beautiful? I have here 2 crusts. They come 2 in a package. I'm just going to be using 1 crust for this recipe. So let's go ahead and start assembling and getting this stuff. I'm going to prepare this crust by putting it in the oven. I'm going to bake it blind so that it won't be gooey and gummy on the bottom. I have these beans are so old. I just use them over and over, and when they cool, I put them back in a bag. I would say you don't use foil, though. Use parchment paper or wax paper so that it'll brown better in the bottom. Press them all out to the side. Get those beans down so they'll keep it from puffing up into the oven. We have a preheated 350-degree oven here. We're going to keep it in here 15 to 20 minutes. Keep a good eye on it, though, because your oven may be hotter than mine or colder than mine. I'm going to use my spring onions here, and I put a tablespoon of water on them, and I'm going to get them into the microwave, where I'm going to nuke them maybe for 1 minute. While that's happening, I'm going to go ahead and put my egg in this bowl, and I am going to whisk, baby. I'm going to whisk these eggs and get my seasonings in. I'm putting in some garlic, quite a bit, because I like garlic. And I'm coming right back with some onion powder and some black pepper, because I like black pepper. You put in how much you want to of these ingredients. It's your thing. I'm putting in just a little bit of kosher salt. We don't want much. And some cayenne, baby. You see there, just a little tinkle of cayenne? And I am going to whisk to make sure that everything comes together. Gonna have peace and unity in this bowl. Oh, it's looking good. I've got my onions here. They're still a little bit warm. I'm gonna go ahead and get them in here. It's all right. It will make no difference at all. Gonna go ahead and get them into this bowl to build my mixture that I'm gonna be using in this tomato pie. Let's get them well incorporated. Here I have this basil, and I am going to sprinkle basil in here. And I'm putting my cheeses. Remember my cheeses? You can put a little more if you want. I've got this sour cream here, and I'm going to get this into the bowl. I'm so excited. I've had this before, guys. And I tell you what, it is good, good, good. And I'm going to get my mayo in. Yeah, this is a dish that will help you to understand how we eat in the South. This is a dish that will let you know what we bring to the table. This is as Southern as you get. So this is my spicy brown mustard. As I said, you can use Dijon if you have it, but the spicy brown is good. And I'm getting in my soft cream cheese. Remember that was 4 ounces? Don't get nervous in the service, though. Don't worry. go to the description box. There you'll see the recipe and all the ingredients and how much to use. Oh, Meso got you. Let's mix this together. All this coming together. Oh, yeah. Working together for the good of this pie. Oh, yeah. Believe it or not, this smells good already. My goodness. Oh, God. Here's the main attraction. These are the stars of the show. Yeah. Fresh tomatoes. Aren't they beautiful? Well, now, these girls, they are the main attraction. Yeah, that's Rihanna, Nikki, Cardi, Taylor, and that's Beyonce. Beyonce, baby. Oh, they on stage now. They're gonna make this pie everything. Everything. Be very careful when you're cutting these tomatoes up. Have your sharp knife, but be really careful. We want all the red in this video to be tomatoes. One more, I believe that's going to be enough. If not, I'll come back and slice up another one. Now these tomatoes have a lot of juice in them. All tomatoes do. So we don't want to use so much of the juice at all because we don't want our pie crust to be sucky. So I have a pan here that I put foil in the bottom of just to catch the juices. I'm putting these slices on this pan and I'm going to run them through the oven for a while just to dry them out a little bit. Because we're not making a juice pie. We're making a tomato pie. A tomato pie. Like the old folks used to say, mater pie, baby, mater pie. I'm going to go and cut another tomato here. Just to make sure that I have enough. Aren't these tomatoes beautiful? Okay, so we're going to get them all on this pan and then we're going to run them through the oven. But before we do, I'm going to put just a little tinkle, just a little sprinkle, just only 2 or 3 grains of salt on each tomato. That's going to help to draw out that juice. So we're not trying to make them salty. So we're going to put, the pie crust comes out, we're going to stick these tomatoes in. Now, I had to go back and I took my beans out because my crust didn't look brown on the inside. But I covered the edges of this pie crust with foil so they wouldn't burn or get any darker. And then I continued to make the bottom of the crust, I let it brown further. Look at these tomatoes. You see how I've got them out? You see how they have dried out somewhat, but you see a little moisture in them? I'm going to fix that by putting them on a paper towel. I'm going to go ahead and get this mixture first down in the bottom of this pie crust. I'm going to smooth it out. This layer is going to be very thin. You put a thin layer, baby, here, because you're going to thicken it up later on. Thin layer, and then you start popping these girls in on top. These gorgeous, beautiful tomatoes. So you're drying them off on the paper towel as you go. You're leaving as much of the juice seeds as you can on the paper towels. And you're getting them in. You see about how mine look? Make yours look like that. Okay, now I'm going to come back and sprinkle some basil on top of these tomatoes. Looking good, wouldn't you say? Yeah, that's basil. Now, I've got some bacon here. I've had 3 slices, and I'm going to go ahead and just break this bacon up. Now, you don't have to put any meat at all. If you're not a meat eater, don't put this in. If you're a big meat eater, then put some bacon in it. Put some scrambled sausage in it. However you want it. But this is good, and you don't need the meat. But Meso always going to do a little extra. I'm getting the rest of the mixture back on top, and this is going to be your thick layer. I'm going to just put it on top, and then I'll smooth it out. Pushing it all the way to the edges. Huh, I'm excited, y'all. Now, you know Meso is not very frou-frou and frou-frou. I don't do a whole lot of decorating. I'm kind of a rustic gal. But I have a dear family friend, a loved one, who is wonderful at decorating, and she encouraged me to decorate my pie. She said this will be the center of attention. This will be the showstopper. When you sit this on the table, people are going to stand up and take notice. I said, okay, I'll try it. So Meso has got some some thyme sprigs and some basil leaves. And I'm just putting them on to make me a little tree and some leaves on there. And I also have some very sweet, cute little heirloom tomatoes. And I am going to cut them into fourths. And I am going to use them on the pie also. You guys could probably do a better job than me at this. But you get the idea of what we're doing here. You take this to an office party, you take this to for your family, you take this to a friend. Man, they're going to stand up, they're going to think you're a kitchen rock star. But wait until they taste it. They're going to know you're a kitchen rock star then. These are those tomatoes I was telling you about. They're in fourths. Little cherry tomatoes, but they're in fourths. I have red ones, yellow ones, and I have a few purple ones in there. So I'm just getting them on here. Making this real pretty, y'all. But this is not a dish you have to dress up, because it's good, pretty, and good all on its own, all by itself. But look at that. Go Meso, go Meso. I put this on foil, and I'm getting it back in that preheated oven, 350 degrees. I'm going to let it cook 40, 45, 50 minutes, depending on how hot your oven is. Just keep an eye on it. And here it comes out. Now, looky, Miss Cookie. Yes, ma'am, Miss Pam. What do you think about this? Don't this good, y'all? Don't this good? Yeah. This right here, you're going to put a little salt in your mouth. Oh, yeah. Meso, what does it taste like? I know, it tastes really good, and it's so beautiful, we don't really want to cut it. Oh, man, this is just like a gorgeous package. I hate to open it. I hate to tear it up, but here I go. Because I know some of you want to see the inside of this. You want to know how it looks. I want to show you. I like that. Now let me show you, if you've done this right, let me show you how easily this is going to come out. Because it's not going to be soupy. It's not going to be soggy. It's not going to be wet. Take your time, Meso. Bring it on out of there, girl. Ha! Look at there. Look at that pan. Comes out clean. Beautiful. Oh, gosh. Smells good, tastes good. Look at that. Woo! Children love this. They say it looks like a pizza. It tastes like a pizza. But it doesn't really taste like a pizza. It's just good. I'm getting real close because I'm getting ready to take a bite. You don't have to ask me twice. I'm ready to taste this for you guys. Man, can you smell it? Now look at that. Look, y'all. The crust is so crispy. Here I go. So good. I can barely talk because Meso has got salt in her mouth. You got to get you some too. Serve this to your man, to your kids, to your mama, to your daddy, to your friends. But don't you dare give an enemy none of this. It's too good. It's too good. Oh, look, y'all. Man, if it's all right, this is so good. Man, this is good. You gotta do this. Put this on your table. Get this in your life. This is all right, y'all. A-okay. I'm gonna give myself a hand. Meso, you get a hand. Yay. Thumbs up. That's all right. Triple 100. Guys, thank you for coming by today to see what I was doing. You knew I'd be throwing down, and I hope I did not disappoint. Try this. You'll love it. If you like my channel, you like what I'm doing here, I want you to give me, I want you to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll know every time that I put up a new video. Give me a big old thumbs up like this right here. Give me a big one. Also, leave me comments because I love hearing from you. I want to know what you guys are thinking. I want you to share my videos wherever you're active on social media, with your friends, with your enemies, your church members, your mom, your dad. I don't care who it is. Share my videos. Thank you guys for watching. Guys, I know that it's crazy out there today in today's time. A lot's going on. Stay positive. Stay hopeful. Keep your joy. And by all means, hold on to your peace. Don't forget to pray. Bye bye.